Chatiw, where to download Chatiw. Meet chat and dating for Android. Chatiw is a free online chat app designed to connect users anonymously with strangers around the world. It's been around for over a decade and has carved out a niche as one of the more chaotic, unmoderated chat platforms. Think digital roulette for conversations. What Chatiw offers: instant chat, no registration required, just pick a username, age, and location, and you're in. Global reach, chat with users from different countries in real time. Mobile friendly, available as a web app and Android APK, optimized for quick mobile access. Anonymity, no profiles, no email verification, just raw, unfiltered interaction. Premium features, $4.6.49/month, users can access private messaging, location filters, and ad-free browsing. Pros: fast and frictionless, you can start chatting in seconds. Free to use, basic features are available without payment. Spontaneous connections, great for casual, anonymous chats. Cons and controversies: poor moderation, the platform is notorious for bots, scammers, and inappropriate content. User safety concerns: UK police have flagged it for lack of oversight and potential illegal activity. Technical issues: users report frequent bans, ghost mode glitches, and chat history failures. Low trust score: scam detection platforms rate it as questionable with a trust score around 52.7. Verdict: Chatiw is like the Wild West of chat apps, fast, anonymous, and unpredictable. It might appeal to thrill seekers or those craving spontaneous interaction, but it's not ideal for meaningful connections or safe socializing. If you're exploring it out of curiosity, we'd recommend using a VPN, avoiding personal info, and steering clear of anything that feels off.